Welcome back to Pete Invests. Today we are going to reveal exactly how you can actually become a millionaire by age 40. Forget all those fake financial gurus and terrible get-rich-quick schemes. Today we are looking at real, historically proven financial wealth strategies. My name is Pete, and my absolute biggest goal is to simplify complex finance so that you can easily build lasting wealth. Most people incorrectly think that you need a massive six-figure salary to successfully hit $1 million by the age of 40. But the real truth is, you simply need time, extreme discipline, and this one extremely powerful and proven investment vehicle today. The ultimate secret is definitely not risky day trading or trying to time the market. It is actually something much more boring. We are talking specifically about broad market index funds, and more precisely, those reliable funds tracking the massive S&P 500. An index fund is essentially a large basket of stocks that accurately represents a very broad and diverse section of the economy. When you finally buy a single share, you are instantly diversifying your hard-earned money across 500 massive, successful American corporate companies. This fundamentally means your overall financial risk is incredibly low compared to foolishly betting all of your precious cash on one stock. Historically speaking, the S&P 500 index has reliably returned an impressive average of 10% during every single calendar year. Let us carefully break down the exact mathematical numbers to show you precisely how this powerful strategy creates actual millionaires by 40. Imagine that you start investing at age 20, diligently putting away exactly $500 every single month with absolute unwavering consistency. By the exact time you finally reach 40 years old, you will have personally contributed $120,000 in total. But thanks entirely to the incredible compounding power of interest, your actual portfolio balance would be dramatically and remarkably higher right now. You would literally have nearly $380,000 safely sitting in your personal investment brokerage account right now, today. That is obviously a great start, but it is not quite a full $1 million just yet. We definitely need to accelerate. To successfully hit $1 million by 40, a 20-year-old really needs to aggressively invest roughly $1,300 every single month. That specific number might honestly sound like a lot right now, but as your personal income steadily grows, this becomes much more achievable. The absolute most important factor here is not the initial dollar amount, but simply starting as early as humanly possible in life. Every single year you wait to actually start investing forces you to desperately contribute significantly more money later on in your life. Time is unequivocally the single greatest and most valuable asset you possess in this wealth-building journey. Please do not waste it. Compound interest is quite simply the interest you earn on both your original invested money and all of your accumulated past interest. It effectively creates a massive financial snowball effect that dramatically grows your personal wealth exponentially the longer you simply leave it alone. Now let us carefully talk about exactly how you can actually buy this incredible millionaire-making investment right now, today, from your home. First and foremost, you desperately need to immediately open a brokerage account with a highly reputable, trustworthy firm like Vanguard or Fidelity. Opening a new account usually takes less than 10 quick minutes and can extremely easily be done entirely on your personal smartphone. Once your new account is officially open, you simply need to securely link your primary personal bank account to easily transfer funds. The absolute golden rule of successfully building massive long-term wealth is always paying yourself first before you recklessly spend on anything else. Set up an automatic, recurring monthly transfer so a decent portion of your hard-earned paycheck goes directly into your chosen investments immediately. This simple automation completely removes dangerous human emotion from the equation and practically guarantees you are consistently building your future generational wealth. Next, you need to quickly search for a low-cost S&P 500 index fund or a reputable exchange-traded fund ticker. Two highly popular and incredibly reliable investment options are VOO from Vanguard or SPY from State Street Global Advisors right now today. These specific funds famously charge incredibly low management fees, meaning you thankfully get to keep almost all of your money working hard. Unnecessarily high fees from actively managed mutual funds can literally slowly rob you of hundreds of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. Once you finally purchase your very first shares, the absolute hardest part of the entire wealth-building process actually begins right here today. You literally have to do absolutely nothing else. You must stubbornly hold these specific investments through all of the inevitable market turbulence. The global stock market will inevitably experience painful crashes, sharp corrections, and incredibly scary news headlines during your 20-year investment journey. It is absolutely vital to your financial success that you never panic sell your precious index funds when the market drops suddenly. Every single major stock market crash in United States financial history has eventually been fully followed by a complete and total recovery. In actual fact, huge market crashes are basically just massive discount sales where you can easily buy great stocks much cheaper. Most modern millionaires are actually heavily made during deep economic recessions because they smartly keep buying while everyone else is panicking and selling. To completely maximize your overall financial returns, carefully consider utilizing special tax-advantaged investment accounts like a Roth IRA or 401k plan. A powerful Roth IRA essentially allows your invested money to continuously grow completely and utterly tax-free for your entire natural lifespan. This incredible benefit specifically means when you happily withdraw your millions at retirement, the federal government simply cannot legally take a single penny. If your current corporate employer generously offers a standard 401k match, you absolutely must completely take full advantage of that free money. A standard company 401k match is literally an instant 100% guaranteed return on your personal investment, which is completely unbeatable. Some specific financial experts loudly argue that investing in real estate is a much better, faster path to actually becoming a millionaire by 40. While real estate is undeniably a powerful tool, it frustratingly requires massive amounts of upfront capital, free time, and constantly dealing with tenants. Broad market index funds seamlessly provide completely effortless passive income without the intense stress of sudden midnight phone calls about severely broken toilets. You can quickly and easily buy tiny fractional shares of these powerful index funds with as little as just $5 or $10. This incredibly low, accessible financial barrier to entry firmly means absolutely anyone, anywhere, can immediately start their personal journey to becoming a millionaire. Do not foolishly wait until you somehow have a massive six-figure salary or perfectly flawless personal finances to officially begin investing your money. The simple, disciplined daily habit of reliably investing consistently is far more vitally important than the exact initial dollar amount you can invest. Let us quickly review the 4 simple, proven steps to practically guarantee your total financial freedom and incredibly early retirement by age 40. Step number 1 is strictly living far below your current financial means, so you always have plenty of extra cash to invest every month. Step number 2 is completely automating your monthly investments into a highly reliable, low-cost S&P 500 broad market index fund immediately. Step number 3 is aggressively maximizing your powerful tax-advantaged retirement accounts to safely protect your growing wealth from greedy federal government taxes. Step number 4 is stubbornly holding your chosen investments forever and completely ignoring the daily terrifying financial news media and all outside noise. If you diligently and faithfully follow this exact financial blueprint, reaching a cool $1 million by 40 literally becomes a complete mathematical certainty. Successful long-term wealth building is definitively a grueling marathon, not a quick, easy sprint. It absolutely requires extreme patience, discipline, and long-term vision. Please do not unfairly compare your humble Chapter 1 to someone else's highlight reel Chapter 20 on highly deceptive social media platforms today. Stay incredibly focused on your own personal financial goals and just politely keep feeding your growing investment portfolio every single month without fail. Always remember that achieving true, lasting wealth is really just about finally buying back your precious time and having ultimate life freedom and choices. Successfully hitting that massive, life-changing millionaire milestone at age 40 officially gives you incredible life options most ordinary people will sadly never have in life. You could easily choose to retire early, freely start a passionate new business, or happily travel the globe without any lingering financial stress whatsoever. Thank you so much for watching this comprehensive step-by-step video guide on the one single powerful investment that can actually make you a millionaire. If you successfully found immense value in this educational finance video today, please quickly hit that like button and definitely subscribe for more content. Please leave a quick comment down below with your personal target retirement age and tell me exactly what you are currently investing in today. This is your host, Pete Invests, officially signing off for today. Stay incredibly disciplined, keep investing consistently, and I will see you very soon.